U.S. President Joe Biden came into office promising to tackle the COVID-19 pandemic.
We're entering what may be the toughest and deadliest period of the virus. We must set aside politics and finally face this pandemic as one nation. One nation.
Biden immediately signed a stack of executive actions.
This executive order I'm signing is strengthening the supply chain.
The orders include a mask mandate on federal property in airports and on planes, trains, and intercity buses. The administration has blocked travel from South Africa, Brazil, the UK, and much of Europe. Biden has reestablished ties with the World Health Organization and moved to improve vaccine coordination and boost production.
This is a wartime undertaking. It's not hyperbole.
But there are limits to what can be accomplished through executive orders. Broader action will require the U.S. Congress. Biden is pushing for a $1.9 trillion relief package that provides more funding for vaccines and testing, plus billions in direct economic assistance. Republicans are balking at the price tag.
We're at a precarious moment for the virus and the economy. Without decisive action, we risk falling into a very serious economic hole, even more serious than the crisis we find ourselves in.
Back in vogue at the White House, televised briefings led by public health officials who have provided realistic assessments of the staggering challenges ahead.
We are taking action to increase supply and increase capacity. But even so, it will be months before everyone who wants a vaccine will be able to get one.
Despite all these actions and the change in tone from former President Donald Trump to Biden, many challenges remain, including the emergence of troubling variants of the virus.
Despite our best intentions, we're going to face setbacks, which I will always explain to you and acknowledge. And let me be clear, things are going to continue to get worse before they get better.
It's far too soon to say whether this wartime approach will be effective in fighting COVID-19, but Joe Biden is staking the beginning of his presidency on beating the virus and rebuilding the U.S. economy. Jim Spellman, CGTN, Bethesda, Maryland.